piston out of there. That right there is that bearing. It's got a little chip off there. I don't know what caused that, but we'll put another one in there. We're not going to put that back in there. But, boy, it sure is greased up. It wasn't like a grease. This engine may have run a lot of airs. But we'll get that, we're going to get the sleeve, but we'll get that piston right there. Here's what it looks like. So now at this point, stage in the game, you have to start figuring cost again. Boy, that piston's really rough. You know, I'd rather not use that piston right there. But that's not to say I have used a piston like this here condition in an engine before. When it was the only one I had, this would be a usable piston. I would like to have a better one, but once we get it out of that electrolysis, we'll know the true state of it. We get a little less grease cleaned up here, and we'll snatch that sleeve out of there. Well, it's got some grease in there. Well, it's about that's like a ½ inch thick. Then we'll dispose that, you know, out there at the landfill, you know. Well, we'll get that sleeve out of there now. Yonder, we're going to pull that cylinder out of there now. I'll show you something. I'll have to chase the threads. We'll run a tap in there and clean them up, see what we got. Now what we're doing is we're pulling from the back of this sleeve, get that away. So you should see a hair line open up right the flange part right there. That's what we're watching for, to see the sleeve start coming out. I'm just holding it back here in the crankcase there to keep that from turning. Oh yeah, maybe it won't turn. You see that? You see that crack opening up right there? It's coming out. Oh yeah. This part right here, it's came out that much already. Oh yeah. Man. Oh. One of them, that's one of them rubber, no it ain't, that's a rivet. It's a big old 5/16 rivet, about 1 inch long. Oh yeah. See, there would have been a hot place on the bottom of that cylinder right there. If I hadn't took it off, there would have been a hot spot down there on that. It may have been the reason that piston looked bad, kind of. down there, right here. Could have been from a hot spot. But that's how you get a cylinder sleeve out of there, you know. We on to clean up now, and we get cleaned up and carry on and reinstall. But you know, the kind of stuff you can find in there, it's, man. We'll have to get all that out of there. Kind of looks me like something else got up in there and died. Whew. Yeah, we get that out of there. Muck. Now we'll get a couple more things out of there. We'll start with one piece. Oh yeah, we'll give her a see once you get all that grease off her, there ain't much paint left on that. So we'll see what we see what we're dealing with once we get the thing cleaned up. And but right now we got to get the gas tank off of it. So let's just proceed with that in that area. Let's get that gas tank off of there now. It's got a hole in it. Couple of bolts on each end right there. And we got to get this pipe right here out of there now. And there's one up there, we'll have to prise it sideways. Boy, I was in there tight. in the washer. Bolt in the washer. Oh yeah, I got that out of the oil tank. Looks really good, except, you know, that's the original tank, come from the factory right there. Except, you know, it's got some rust on it right there, and it's got that gas stain there where it's been a slow leak right there. And so we put a new one on there. And we'll get that out of there and reuse that.